Frequently asked questions about digital marketing. Question number 6. What should I promote? One of the first things to take into consideration is whether or not it's a product or service that you are passionate about. Promoting a product or service that you're passionate about is so much easier than promoting something that you either know nothing about or that you don't like. Something else to take into consideration is choosing a product that is already in demand. And the top 3 niches are health, wealth, and relationships. Also be sure to choose a product that has integrity and whose values line up with your values. And do they have marketing materials for you ready to use? Proven banners, email sequences, that sort of thing. And be sure to find out how they're going to track your leads and your sales. And last but not least, what are you going to get paid? How much are you going to make on each sale? Now, does that product or service check all your boxes? I chose to promote my training program because it did check all my boxes. But if you need help trying to choose a product or service to promote, give me a shout. I'll help you out. We'll see if it makes sense. As always, thanks for following me. Hope to talk soon.